Okay, we're going to show you how to calibrate the level today. Now, the level shouldn't need to be calibrated unless you have actually damaged the tubing or something, replaced the tubing, replaced the display or what have you. It's always a good idea, if you think your level needs to be calibrated, to contact the factory first to make sure that we're not using the level in an improper fashion. The way to check your level easily is to just zero the level near a countertop or a table or something, raise it up to that counter or tabletop, and it should read the same thing that a tape measure reads. If your table reads 29.5 inches, zero it on the floor beside the table, set the level on the table, and it should read the same reading. If we have replaced a display or tubing, what have you, and we want to actually calibrate the level, then we'll proceed from this point forward. What we want to do, we need a 48-inch mark above a floor on a doorway or something. So we want to get a good solid and a very accurate 48-inch mark above the floor. Now, in order to put the level into calibrate mode, we're going to hold the power and tap the 0 button 4 times. You'll see a C appear at the bottom of the screen and a green light come on. That means we're in calibrate mode. Now, we want to let the level sit here for about 10 or 15 seconds and settle out firmly. You'll see the C at the bottom. The numbers, the reading that on the level right now means absolutely nothing. It's an engineering function. Pay absolutely no attention to that whatsoever. Make sure the tubing isn't wiggling. After it's settled out for about 15 seconds or so, you'll tap the power switch. The C will go to the top. We'll raise the level exactly 48 inches. Set it right on top of our 48-inch mark there. Now, once again, you want to make sure the tubing has stopped wiggling. Let it settle out. The longer it settles out, the more accurate we're going to be zeroed in. You'll see the C is at the top now. Now we've got everything settled out. I'm going to tap the power. That takes us out of calibrate mode. A good, quick, easy way to see how accurate you are is just tap the 0 button, hold the 0 button down, and zero it here. Then we'll set the level back on the floor, and we should come out pretty close to our 48 inches. It's going to take there we go. We've got it.